Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull Scanner, only way. Open the Webull app and go to Scanner, then choose your market and instrument type to get started. Next, apply filters for volume, price, and technical setups to narrow results. Save your scan as a watch list or set alerts to catch setups automatically. Practice with different filters to learn which combinations match your strategy and improve speed and consistency. In this video, I will explain how to use Webull Scanner, only way. Begin by adding core filters, such as price range and minimum volume, to weed out noise. Layer technical conditions like RSI under 30 or moving average crossovers to match your trading plan. Narrow further with sector or market cap filters to zero in on opportunities that suit your risk tolerance. Constantly tweak filter thresholds to balance. In this video, I will explain how to use Webull Scanner, only way. Save your preferred scans and label them clearly so you can rerun them in seconds during market hours. Review recent results to see which filters found profitable setups and adjust accordingly to improve precision. Finally, set alerts for price or percentage moves so you get notified when new matches appear, allowing you to act quickly without watching the screen all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.